Om Swastiastu. Thanks for the time you're giving to me. Uh, Today I will explain my seminar proposal. And then my title is Exploring 11 Student Perception of Speaking Skill Problems in English Learning at SMA Negeri 1 Banjaraka. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Adigilang Pramudiananta, and my name number is 2211 71005. I'm English Education Department. Okay. Okay. The background of the study. My background is speaking skill is one of the skill that importance for communication in English. It allows individual to express their thoughts, ideas, feelings clearly and confidently. However, many students face problem in developing their speaking skills. According to Reality 2022, students worry about their vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, which makes them fearfully receiving judgment from others. Next is student perception, refers to how students see, uh, understand, interpret their learning experience, teacher, school, environment, education as a whole. It is influenced by their past emotion, uh, cultural backgrounds, and personal interests. Next is my research question. My research question is: what are the problems that faced by 11 students of senior high school 1 Bayarakat in speaking? And then my research objective is this research aims to fulfill the purpose exploring 11 student perception of speaking skill problem and English learning at senior high school Menyarankan number 1. And then this is my conceptual framework. The first is collecting student perception. When the interview and observation, student perception is being collected. Next, divided to be that factor can be affected speaking skill. And then after that, divide dividing them to the what's the problem is the first is linguistic maybe, and then psychological, and then social and environment. And then after that, including them all to be what is the difficult in speaking English. Okay, this is my research design. The method of this research will be descriptive qualitative research designs. This is because quality of this design will be the best interpreted through the its participants feels and experience. In the case, research design, the research design will be employed to provide a detailed information from the student perception of speaking skill problem in English learning. Qualitative also enables to research to gather in-depth data through semi-construction and classroom observation, capturing both verbal and non-verbal expression of emotional and multi-difficult that students encounter when speaking. The design will able to research to understand and the problem without manipulating variables from the environment of the school. Next is this ratio will conduct at Senior High School 1 Banjarmasin, senior high school located in Kelungkung, Bali. Okay. For the next is research method. The research method that I use is interview and observation. Observation will be employed to gather data from about student speaking activities in the classroom and to identify students who have problem when do speaking. Next is interview. The interview will be open-ended interview. Open-ended interview. will be conducted to analyze perception of the student toward the difficult that they face when speaking in English. The next is data collection. From the observation, the researcher will be asked for permission from the school administration and English teacher also to observers to observe the class during the speaking lesson. Second, the researcher will be attend the class during the speaking lesson. And the researcher will be observe the student participation and behavior when do speaking class. Next is the interview. The first is the researcher will prepare a set of questions for the open-ended interview. Second, the researcher will perform in the process interview with chosen participant and record the response to the question. Last is the researcher will gather in-depth data from student about the perception of student speaking skill problems in English learning. Okay, my data analysis will use the method in this research will be an interactive model assess by Miles Huberman, 1948. The data analysis method used to this consists of the three models of component. The first is data reduction. The researcher will be focused on the most relevant data in the case focusing on student perception of speaking problem when they do a learning lesson. The next is data display. The reduced data will be present in a narrative form, categorized, and the description will be used to explain the perception of students who have about speaking problem and the related for their speaking performance. And the last is conclusion drawing. The researcher will draw a conclusion from the analysis data and perform verification by cross-checking uh, the observation checklist and interview data to make sure the accuracy and the consistency data. Okay, that's all about my presentation and explanation about my seminar proposal. If there are any mistake, I'm so sorry, and I will close this with Ramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.